Hello friends and YouTube chess lovers, welcome to another video of the Mysterious Night. In this video, I am going to show you the back rank mate, that is a mate where the opponent's king is generally found in the last rank and has no squares to go in the back rank. So white generally delivers, or the black, I mean opponent generally delivers this mate when the king is in a castle situation and all the three pawns of the castle is untouched, and opponent delivers the checkmate in the last rank with either with rook or the queen. As you can see here in this position, you can pause the video and find the shot that white can deliver for opponent's mate. That is obviously it's quite visible here that rook to d8 delivers the checkmate immediately to the black, as black's king is in the last rank, and the rook is delivering the mate here, and black's king cannot go in the front side because all the three pawns are there. So this kind of a situation turns into the back rank mate, and this you have to take care when you are playing, when your king is in the castle. So make sure that you maybe move some like pawn or something. Let's say suppose I will make this rubbish move. If the pawn is let's say moved, castle's pawns are moved, or else the rook can be in the support here somewhere. So this can be prevented. Now it is not a mate because easily king can escape, and rather here black is delivering a mate here on the on g1. So this care you have to take, otherwise the back rank mate ideas are always possible. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much.